Raman Maharshi is telling you to know yourself. Who am I? Who you actually are? What is your real self? What is your real identity? Beyond this ego and mind and thought, beyond this even body. Nisargadatta Maharaj is telling you to avoid in that, to remain this I amness, that I am that, with complete confrontation, with complete certainty. Remain the state which is even before your thought. While Punja Papaji is telling you, don't try, don't think, just be in complete emptiness and nothingness. Now, this trait is telling you the ultimate secret to know yourself without any formal, or you can say traditional method or system. Just pure inquiry and pure remaining in your real self. You don't need to read so many scriptures. You don't need to read anybody. You are just with yourself, and that is enough. Raman Maharshi is telling you to track your source, your final source, your final beingness, which is not difficult, which is just to ask yourself, the thoughts are coming, and ask to whom these thoughts are coming. You will say, to me, to my I. And now ask yourself, where is the I? From where this I originated? You will see a blank space. You will see a something which is infinite. That is your real self. But Nisargadatta Maharaj is even going beyond that. He is telling you, you are that, and you don't need anything. You are completely that. No concept, no theory, no labels, no reading, no acquiring of knowledge. Just you are that. Absolutely you are that. You know, Aham Brahmasmi. I am the Brahm. I am the Atman. I am absolutely that. And Nisargadatta Maharaj used to say it, that you don't need to, read scriptures or follow some meditation techniques. No. You just have to be. Just I am that. Just be in the I amness. And whatever you will do to achieve that state, you will go far. You will go far from this state, because the effort being made by the thought, and thought is a barrier in self-inquiry. Now, the approach of Punja Papaji, who is even the guru of the Muji, Punja Papaji used to enlighten people just sitting in front of them and telling that don't make any effort. Don't try to label yourself. Don't even try to trace I. Just for a moment, for a few seconds, for this instant, don't think, don't make any effort. And then you will see you are already in this state. You are already the emptiness. You are already the nothingness. And Punja Papaji used to give an example of Buddha. Once Ananda asked to Buddha, what you found? Buddha said, I found nothing. There is nothing to realize here. There is only nothingness. I found nothing. But I lost everything. What I lost everything? My attachments, my fear, my anxiety, my stress, my false identification. I lost all these things. And then there is nothing to realize here. There is nothing to gain here. There is only pure emptiness. There is only pure beingness, which is you already are. If you don't make any effort, if you don't try to be something, if you don't try to become something, just choiceless awareness, whatever is happening, just choiceless awareness, this pure awareness, and which is you already are. You don't have to label anything yourself. You have to be just in a dimension in which you don't have to act, you don't have to think, you don't have to make any effort. Just for a few seconds, even an instant. Punjab Papaji used to say that this instant is beyond time. So this is the evolution of this trait, this self-inquiry, in which each one is inspired from this. Ramana Maharshi is an inspiration for both of these people. Even Eckhart Tolle used to quote Ramana Maharshi and Nisargadatta Maharaj, and even used to Punjab Papaji. This is what the real Advaita is, the real self-inquiry is. To concept, clear your clearance. If you want to conceptual clear, and I don't want you to struggle too much. I prepared a course for you of 24 videos in which meditation, awareness, present moment, relationship, fear, suffering, who am I, thought, freedom from thought, witness, truth, and including one guided meditation videos. There are 24 videos complete spirituality course. You can join this by WhatsApp number 9773529489, giving in description too. You can join the course, and this course, I'm telling you, this is ultimate course. You don't have to go anywhere. If you understand, you will get ultimate insight from this course. Thank you very much.